Hello, my name is Mario Valencia Lopez, and then I talk about my last trip. My last trip, I was in Cancun, Mexico, with my daughter to celebrate her fifth birthday, and we toured some cenotes in the Riviera Maya. There we did rappelling, hiking, canoeing, and swimming. We also attended some events into the hotel. The hotel is very big. It's called Blue Bay. This hotel has two beaches. Uh, Also has several swimming pools and bars and restaurants. On the other side, although I don't like the spicy food, I add some tacos and other things. I plan to return to Cancun the next year with my family. I think Mexico is an interesting city to walk around. Mexico uh, has beautiful landscapes. Its water is generally hot, and Mexico has many touristy sites. Very interesting. That's it. Thanks.